In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPad to study using Anki, how you can use a controller with it, how you can use your pen with it to like edit it and stuff. I use these techniques every single day. It helps me be more productive, live a happier, healthier life. I'm going to break it down. Tap on Anki here. I use this controller. It's in the description if you want to use it. Go here, go to review, gamepads. This is pretty much maps this controller onto Anki. So this button takes the top up, this button takes away the scratch pad. So I like to scribble with my right hand, scribble it, and then I use this in my left hand normally, but I'm filming with my left hand right now. So click that, that's bad, that's good. Undo. This one starts auto starting, so it'll review it for me. This one goes down, this one goes up. This one flags it. Really helping with like doing past papers because I can see, all right, I didn't understand the answer to that, so I'll go back and doodle the answer, doodle it again until I actually understand it. And then say I want to do some big memorization thing, I'll go into the edit, I'll go into here, press this button up here, and go James, and I'll put the X and I'll put that into my flashcard there. But I don't want that, I don't want that. So recently why I've been liking to do it on the iPad instead of the computer is because of this. You can go over here, triple click the power button, and it starts this 1 hour 30 minute, and it keeps it on this page, right? I can't turn it off, I can't do any functions, just focuses me on this screen and I can't do anything. If I want to get out of this page, I have to triple click again. And then I can edit it here. The options I have in this is option that, so I have a time limit, so that's how much time I like to do Anki for. I don't have the volume or top buttons done. That's pretty much it. This tip has really helped me because it allows me to stop procrastinating and going on like all different little apps. What I like to do is also when I review my iPad is say I don't understand what inverse matrix is. I need to understand that. I'd click on this video. I would then click on here. But because I've limited YouTube on my thingy because I don't want to get distracted, I copy that, and then I go over to here, my link that I've embedded, the embedder app. This is a Chrome extension called Momentum, by the way. And then I put it in here. This pretty much just gets the embedded code for you. I press submit, I copy code. This is all because I have literally zero self-control when it comes to YouTube and I have to block it. And then I go to Anki again. So I go here, I click that button here, tap here, put paste, and then press save, and then I'll go on then I scroll down here. If you want to understand it a bit more, go to there, then you got this bit here, right? I'll show you the template I use on my computer here now that gives me like this design with like the box around it and everything. I just found it looks pretty. And I like to have my YouTube just embedded in this little toggle bar. Go to add bar, basic, cards. So that's the front, this is the back. This piece of code here gives you the info bar here. This is the styling I use. You can literally just copy and paste that by using the OWL tool on the Mac, OWL, OCL. See, this app is really cool because say you want to copy like a code or something, you do Command G, which I set it as, and then you go front. So you wanted to copy that, I just paste it in. It's pretty much paste it in for you. So that's really helpful when I make flashcards on my computer. But I like to make them on my computer and then review them on the iPad. So I hope that helps you guys, and thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you some way. And good luck with your exams, and peace. Have a beautiful rest of your day.